How to copy text from ChatGPT all at once. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to be discussing on how you can easily copy all the text from ChatGPT at once. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you will need to do is open up your ChatGPT and make sure that you're logged in, or it does not really matter if you're logged in or not. ChatGPT is still gonna respond to you. So I'm just gonna write a simple hey here and it will respond to me. Now if I write something like uh, today's weather on New York, just tap on send and it will give me a brief explanation of today's weather like this. So if you want to select a specific text, you just tap and hold on this and then tap on copy. What this will do is it will copy everything to your clipboard. And now if you want to paste it somewhere, let me just open up my Notes app. So here I have opened my Notes app. Now I'm just going to long press here and then tap on paste. So it will give me all of the text that ChatGPT has written. So all of these texts, this does not include these temperatures, but you can see all of these texts right here. You can also select a specific amount of text like this and copy it. Then go ahead and paste it wherever you want. So I'm just going to paste it here like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.